Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Red Dead. First, familiarize yourself with the basic controls for walking, running, and interacting with the environment. The game features an expansive open world, so learning to use your map and compass is crucial for exploration. Combat involves a unique dead-eye system, allowing for precise targeting. Remember to monitor your three main cores: health, stamina, and dead-eye, as they are vital for survival and performance. The world of Red Dead is rich with detail, offering diverse landscapes from snowy mountains to bustling towns. Engage with the many non-player characters to uncover side quests and unique encounters. Hunting over 100 types of animals and fishing in various waters provides valuable resources and a steady income. Your horse is your primary mode of transport. Keep it fed and clean to ensure its loyalty and optimal performance across long distances. Combat in Red Dead requires strategic thinking. Always use cover to your advantage and choose the right weapon for each situation, from revolvers to rifles. Visit gunsmiths to upgrade your firearms, improving accuracy and damage. Survival is key. Cook raw meat over a campfire and craft tonics using collected herbs to keep your cores full. Participate in thrilling duels and bounty hunting missions to earn money and enhance your reputation. Your character's attributes, such as health and stamina, naturally improve as you play and complete challenges. Personalize your look with a wide array of clothing options available from tailors. Upgrading your camp provides numerous benefits, including better provisions and fast travel points. Every decision you make, from helping strangers to committing crimes, influences your honor level, which in turn affects how the world reacts to you and unlocks specific story paths.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.